Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Youth Elixir is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for those looking to combat the visible signs of aging, offering a potent blend of ingredients designed to rejuvenate and restore the skin's youthful vitality, making it a crucial addition to any mature skincare routine. Number 5. VELAMO Advanced Retinol Eye Stick. Discover the VELAMO Advanced Retinol Eye Stick, your secret weapon for a refreshed look. This innovative balm is designed to target common under-eye concerns. Experience the renewing and firming power that works to diminish the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. It helps to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles for a more youthful appearance. Its travel essential design makes it incredibly portable. You can easily take it with you wherever you go, ensuring you always look your best. This stick is specifically formulated for the delicate skin around your eyes. It delivers potent ingredients to rejuvenate and restore. Make it a part of your daily routine for visibly smoother and firmer under-eye skin. Enjoy a brighter, more awake appearance with ease. What we like. This innovative eye stick offers targeted renewal and firming for the delicate under-eye area. Its convenient, portable design makes it perfect for touch-ups anytime, anywhere. If you're constantly on the go and need a quick solution for dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines, this is your ideal companion. What people say. This cream has a rich texture that absorbs well into the skin. I noticed a significant improvement in skin hydration within a week of use. The fine lines around my eyes appeared less noticeable after consistent application. Number 4. Retinol Hyaluronic Acid Face Cream. Discover the power of our advanced anti-aging cream. It's designed to rejuvenate your skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Infused with hyaluronic acid, this cream provides deep hydration, leaving your skin feeling plump and firm. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to a smoother complexion. Use it day and night for continuous care. This versatile moisturizer works around the clock to restore your skin's youthful vitality. Our formula helps boost collagen production, essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. Experience a visible reduction in wrinkles. Perfect for both women and men, this cream is your go-to solution for a more radiant and youthful look. It's suitable for all skin types. Enjoy the benefits of this potent cream with a generous 1.85-ounce size. It's a long-lasting addition to your skincare routine. What we like. This potent retinol cream is formulated to combat dryness and reduce the appearance of wrinkles, thanks to its blend of retinol and hyaluronic acid. It works effectively both day and night for continuous anti-aging benefits. If you're looking for a comprehensive facial moisturizer that boosts collagen and addresses multiple signs of aging, this is a great choice. What people say. This cream is very hydrating and has made my skin feel much smoother. I noticed a significant reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles after using this for a few weeks. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. Number 3. No 7 Restore and Renew Multi-Action Night Cream. Introducing the No 7 Restore and Renew Multi-Action Night Cream. This powerful formula works overnight to revitalize your face and neck. Infused with collagen peptides, it targets signs of aging for a smoother, firmer appearance. Experience the difference as it combats crepey skin. Hyaluronic acid and ceramides deeply hydrate and support your skin's natural barrier. Wake up to a visibly restored complexion. Let this luxurious cream transform your skin while you sleep. It's the perfect addition to your nighttime anti-aging skincare routine. Enjoy smoother, plumper, and more radiant skin each morning. Reveal a younger-looking you with this effective night cream. What we like. Designed for overnight rejuvenation, this multi-action cream works to restore the skin on both your face and neck. It specifically targets crepey skin, infusing it with essential hydration and anti-aging ingredients like collagen peptides, hyaluronic acid, and ceramides. If you want to wake up to smoother, firmer, and more youthful-looking skin, especially in those often neglected neck areas, this night cream is for you. What people say. This product is amazing. It has made my skin so soft and smooth. I have been using this product for a week and I can already see a difference in my fine lines. My skin feels hydrated and looks brighter after using this cream. Number 2. MAREE Retinol Face Moisturizer Cream. Discover the MAREE Retinol Face Moisturizer, your new essential for a youthful complexion. This daily cream is designed to combat the signs of aging. Specifically formulated for women, this moisturizer works to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Achieve smoother, firmer-looking skin with consistent use. Harness the power of retinol for effective anti-aging benefits. It helps to rejuvenate your skin, promoting a more radiant and healthy look. Enriched with collagen, this facial moisturizer supports skin elasticity and firmness. It works to plump and hydrate for a revitalized appearance. Experience noticeable skin tightening with this hydrating cream. It helps to lift and firm your facial contours for a more sculpted look. This crema hydratante para la cara provides deep hydration, leaving your skin feeling soft and looking luminous. Embrace a healthy, glowing complexion. What we like. This daily retinol cream is formulated to tighten and smooth your facial skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles with regular use. It provides essential moisture while working to improve skin's firmness. If you're seeking a reliable daily moisturizer that focuses on anti-aging and skin tightening benefits for your face, this product is worth considering. What people say. This cream is very moisturizing and has helped to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I have been using this cream for a few weeks now and I can already see a difference in my skin's texture and tone. The cream absorbs quickly into the skin and does not leave a greasy residue. Number 1. 8 Saints Up the Anti-Night Cream. Tired of fine lines and wrinkles? Our night cream works while you sleep to visibly reduce signs of aging. Wake up to smoother, firmer skin every morning. This potent formula is designed to combat aging on both your face and neck. It's packed with ingredients that work together to restore a youthful appearance. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it deeply hydrates and plumps the skin. Experience a revitalized complexion that feels refreshed and renewed. Niacinamide helps improve skin texture and tone, while peptide supports skin's natural collagen. Together, they work to firm and smooth your skin. Apply this cream each night to give your skin the essential nourishment it needs. It's your nightly defense against the visible signs of aging. See a noticeable difference in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles with consistent use. It's designed to deliver visible anti-aging results. What we like. This advanced night cream is a powerhouse for reducing fine lines and wrinkles, while also nourishing both the face and neck. Its potent blend of hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and peptides works overnight to deliver significant anti-aging results. If you're looking for a rich, effective night treatment to combat the signs of aging across your entire face and neck, this is an excellent option. What people say. This cream is very hydrating and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. I noticed a significant improvement in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles after using this cream for a few weeks. The texture is light and absorbs quickly without feeling greasy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.